How to create emoji of your own face. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to create emoji of your own face, so you have to simply go to your browser and open this website, remove background website. So when you search on the browser, then you can see this website URL. You can open the website and then click on the upload image, and here you have to upload a image. So choose the image that you want to add with your add as an emoji, and then select it, and then it will the app will remove the background automatically. Now what you can do is you can download HD or download in the normal. So you can also download HD. So let's see, I have not credit, so I download it in the normal way and it is downloaded. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your Play Store, and then you have to download this app, a sticker maker with this Vico and Co developer. So you have to make sure that you download this exact app and then click on the open button, and you have to open it, and here you can see there is option of create a new sticker pack in the middle. Click on it and you can type your name. So let's see, I type my name. You can also give a other name. So let's see, I give my also here I type my name, and then click on the create in the bottom right corner, and here you have to click on your name. Here you have to click on this gallery button, and then you can take a photo, open gallery, select file, sticker library. So you can choose this. So I open the gallery, allow the photo to access gallery. You can open it with photos. So let's see, I open with photos. I go to my download, and here you can see this is the photo that I have downloaded. And here what you can do is you can simply crop the photo of the crop the part of the photo, or you can cut the uh, and you can remain it completely like this image. So and you can so firstly what you want to do, if you want to select this image all, you can click on the select all button here, and you can what you have to do to save a sticker, you can see the save a sticker in the bottom right corner. Click on the save a sticker, and here you can see the sticker is saved. Now what you can do is you can add to WhatsApp by clicking on the add to WhatsApp in the bottom right corner, and you have to it is saying that you have to create at least 3 stickers. So you can create any of the 3 stickers. So after creating the stickers, now when you create the 3 sticker, then you can see there is option of add to WhatsApp. Click on the add to WhatsApp, and it is start adding the WhatsApp. So ads, and here you can see it will give you 2 ads. So and here you can see it is asking, would you like to add Hariram to the WhatsApp? You can click on the add, and it is saying that it has been added to WhatsApp. So what you can do is you can simply go to your WhatsApp app, and then you can go to your emoji sections. So firstly go to the emoji sections. So let's see, so to send the personalize your sticker face, what you can do is you can see there type a message button, and in the left side of this type of message you can see this emoji. When you click on this emoji, then you can see this it will lead to this page, and here you can see this in the most bottom. You can see this emoji GIF and this page like button. So when you click on this page like button, here you can see you can see all your emojis, personalized emojis. You can send the personalized emoji. Here you can see I have sent it. You can also swipe to the other emojis. Here you can see I have sent these emojis. So you can send the as much emojis that you want, and so that's basically it, that how you can create your personalized emojis. So you can send the emoji by clicking on this emoji button, and then when you so then you come to this page, and here you can see these emojis. You have to go to the page like button in the bottom right corner. You can see these options, and here you can see all your created emojis. You can send it by clicking on the emojis, and it will be sent to the persons. So that's basically that how you can how you can send emojis, personalized emoji to your person. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate.